Makadi mbore Zimbabwe kusana zvikare pano pachivhitivhiti chenyuzi patinenge tichiupa nyaya dzinenge dzichipisa zuva nezuva. Alright, tine nyaya yatikishira, nyaya yanetsa masiridzi esocial media. Majournalist emunyika yeZimbabwe vaparumana nzombe mushure mekunge vaimasodamdzo Mnangagwa vasiri kufarira basa revana, basa rakanaka riri kuitwa nevana, kutaura mazwi evanhu kana mibvunzo yavanenge vachibvunza inenge ichifanira kuanzwa. Asi nyaya iri kuitika nekuti vaimasodamdzo Mnangagwa vada kunyaradza mavoices evanhu nekuchisidzira vanhu. Right, pane gurupu rinonzi Varakashi iro riri kuda kuvhundutsira mujournalist based Matabeleland anonzi Anastasius Ndlovu mushure mekunge abvunza question kuna Vice President Constantine Chiwenga during 21st movement rinova birthday ramudhara Bobo, apo akabvunza question yekuti vaimasodamdzo Mnangagwa vakataura pachavo kuti vari kuresigna 2028 asi apa vari kuramba vachitaura 2030 munozoona sei Vice President Constantine Chiwenga munhu wekuti akazongoseka chete vane mudzimai wavo havana kudaira question iyoyo vakabva vatoenda. Naizvozvo gurupu revarakashi riri kuvhundutsira journalist iyeye pamwe chete zvichisanganisirawo nekusungwa kwaBlessed Mhlanga, zvinhu zvinova zvinosiririsa nyika ine vanhu vakafanana naivavo, vanhu vasinganzwisisi kuti zviri kuenda nekupi. Rai ndo patoda manew leaders, parotaurwa nyaya protest kuti vanhu vanenge vachienda mumastreets. Tiri kumbira kuti munge muchibuda nauwandu hwenyu titore kodzero dzedu, nekuti makasirira nguva iyi Zimbabwe ichaita one party state naye masodamdzo Mnangagwa. Tiri kutenda muri Zimbabwe mutiudzewo zvamunofunga panyaya. Thank you.
It's a debate for another day.
No, I do agree with you 100%. Mugabe was a project my British, same as Mandela. Mandela was also a project my British. Let's go ahead.
Thank you so much. At least anyway, people will understand. So now, Grace Mugabe is calling the shots on a president who is visibly shaken, sleeping during rallies, is falling at the airport, is confessing that he is threatened at home. He's no longer in control.
Right, but right, advocate. Takazviona Mugabe achidonha kwese achivata achiita sei. Way before the 2017, why was that haana kuti declare kuti is now incapacitated? Akafanira kubva ipapo before zvazoitika zvese izvi.
Munoona chakaitika kubvira time yana 2013 2014. The hope of E.D. Mnangagwa and the rest of the people was for them to reach the end of the term, right? And then take over from Robert Mugabe because of his incapacitation. Just check in 2017 how far we were from the Congress. It was a very, very short period of time in November. But now what happens in November? Grace Mugabe, Patrick Joao, Jonathan Moyo, Walter Muzembe, and the G40 faction quickly moved in to seize that opportunity before the Congress and make the old men now to declare. Grace Mugabe says, and I quote here again, in another rally, Chikutaura bizarra chowa Mugabe. It will take over from you. So then, joke being aware that Mugabe sooner or later will pronounce his wife as the successor, and it was going to be very difficult to reverse once it's declared. That's when they quickly move in and realize that
no. What was happening?
Takanganwa E.D. Mnangagwa the vice president achitwa challenged kuti unonyora makapa ako kuti boss uri boss one. Takanganwa kuti George Charamba achinzi iwe George. Tell me kuti first lady ane executive power yekudaidza an employee of the president in the executive.
Okay, let me go deeper there. George was not just employee, mouthpiece of the president. Those who remember the controversy yakaitika kupati mai Mchinguru akatsura vakadini kana kamunhu kari kadiki munomboziva here kuti George ndiani kana munhu uri muromo wapresident. It is not just an employee. Go ahead.
Thank you, Signor. Exactly 2 points out of my mouth. So you are challenging the presidency with a Y. Let's forget about the president, the human being. You are dragging the presidency office into the mud as the first lady. Uchituka, the spokesperson of the presidency. Akamira iweneni, ladies and gentlemen. Iwakazembe. So, what is Grace Mugabe? So now I want to juxtapose what was happening that time. That the takeover of the presidency had already occurred through Grace Mugabe's cabal, and the other group had to react. Are you aware, ladies and gentlemen, that Chiwenga, after Mnangagwa had been fired, the next one to be arrested was Chiwenga?
Yeah,
so there had to be a reaction. Sorry, Uncle. So the so-called coup, ladies and gentlemen, is a reaction to events which are happening whereby the president has been captured already. And now we need to juxtapose it to today and say, if the legal opposition rightly so says there were elements who had now made the first number one of Zimbabwe to abdicate his duties, the same argument can be done of Zigananda. It means the president now is abdicated his duties. Whitnell is saying, so now, if then the army moves with the same argument, it suffices that is not a coup. Because there is a legal precedent in 2017 where number one, executive number one, is no longer in control of the situation. He is now an outlet. Rababoso, our speaker, the one who are in control. As far as we are concerned, chakabatwa kuti jini. Na witness.
Kuti tukatendere msoro advocate. Pane nyaya joke yamataura. Our court and they don't say it's correct. Mai vanonzi my boy vakataura ndikati ya mai vataura vakati guys, do you know kuti joke hairari? Not so long ago, sometime last year. It is something that we overlook. They try to balance the equation. In fact, in summary, they need to understand. Don't they have authority over and above the Constitution? It's something that I don't understand why advocate brought it, but in the mix, in the argument, you could tell about the Constitution. I think it's no complaint. Now they've devised a new method of sidelining or manipulating the Constitution and not allowing the processes, normal processes, Mabila ended through our post. So in summary, maybe if you can zero in on joke, roll a joke. Does it not oversee, but the final authority outside the Constitution?
It does. That's what I was trying to bring forth across, that sometimes you fall victims to politicking and the things that we see on the surface. Remember, joke is not an animal which was created by ZANU-PF. Joke is something which existed in Rhodesia. So it's just simply adopted. The same thing with CIO. It's simply adopted. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very powerful organ. It's not a joke. If we go right now to Washington, the president is called by army generals, even any time in the night. The president got up. Pakistan. The head of state comes out after in the open. Yeah, nyaya Pakistan zvakamira so, nyaya Afghanistan zvakamira so. But they'll be grilling in the state house. President Donald Trump or Obama was making military decisions and any other decision. That's how powerful these units are. So Joke cannot now be indifferent or unaware of the fact that there's something that is happening in State House and the president has been captured. If we think like that, then we are not understanding what happens in the political background. What happens in the political background is we see a president, yes, with executive powers, who speaks in front of people. But there are things which are being spoken behind doors. I was president and Iso, I was president in Iso. And this joke is also very, very important in ensuring that the president functions within his capacity and there are no people who comes around the president. Saka kana taana Grace Mugabe isusu ari kutaura president masikati machena kuti president mukasadzinga vamujuru inini first lady ndichaorganize protest against you. Ladies and gentlemen, who is now the president? Pana batu vatati isusu tsamba yakaverengwa na Simon Kaya Moyo, and we would want to believe kuti munhu ari kurohwa kumba uku ndiye akanyora tsamba. When in the open, the person who is declaring that Mnangagwa must go, Mnangagwa must leave, is the first lady. So we are now in this scenario whereby we have Zigananda. Whether akaenderwa kumapostori, akaisirwa nhombo muState House, akabatirwa munamadzo nendimi dzekumapostori, we don't know. But as far as we are concerned, what we see is munhu ari almost in the same situation like in 2017. Takamuzwa takamhanyiswa muchibage the other time. I don't know how far it is, but takazinzwa takamhanya muchibage. Achimhanyiswa nemukadzi.
Kumhanya vakamhanya kutsvamaya chaiko.
So who is in charge? Kana vava kumhanya kudaro. Kana vava kumhanya muchibage. Collins ariko necheuku, Shona ariko necheuku, Tongai ariko necheuku.
Gomira ndichana ndikobvunza bazi totaura here mudhana kusiria kana tisi tuenda
Madino.
Ngatigoisiya